Alright people, so the mission is simple. Content needs to be shot and I need to go and shoot it. So let's do it. Alright, I don't know. Something on this one clean off, but we're gonna try and shoot Kevin sitting there. Try this for the first time. I think I might be within good enough time, so we should be able to get one of the things that we are going for. Whatever that was, it up on the lens when we attached to it. Okay, alright brother. I just saw something you don't see very often. A female taxi driver. And not only was she a female taxi driver, she was like standing outside, man, and she was like,
yo, y'all got a place there? Option, yeah?
She a hungry thing. Finish again. So you know what me I gonna do? I'm gonna make it. Fuck it. Yo, whoever do this to the town of Mandeville, when I need to go to prison, you know? When I turn the place in a one way and then me have to turn in a some place so I need, like watch out, I come out this so usually could have just turn and go up the road. Now I have to go down the road to go back up the road, and then when I go up the road I can't find parking. With every other town in Jamaica, that's a big stinking problem. Parking don't exist. Like whoever did that design and say, I'm a build place. You're not idiot, brother. You're not idiot because you never that think about parking. It's like you feel like the amount of people in the world that just stay the same. Eh? Remember the condom they invent for a long while, you know, so when they around there, I do the things, you know, and I breed up like rabbit. I'll never think say it like parking. Parking is important, man. We're parking there, brother. Sure. Every time I feel like I'm in a rush for like go somewhere, I end up having to spend longer than I need to. And then in a supermarket I play a love song and I said, brother, like they don't understand. Anyways, I try to grab something over juice here now. We got the brownie, and I've also bought some bananas for my daughter because she likes the fruit. Don't blow your horns at me, jackass. The light just turned green. There are other people in front of me, and you with your dumb self want to blow your horn. I guess... why did I stutter? I guess the whole preparation process could be a vlog in and of itself, and then we have the tries for the first time difference. So I think that's what I'm going to do. That wasn't the plan, but you know, sometimes plans change and then you just gotta adapt. You feel me? I'm getting a cold right now, bro. Who'll be calling me, bruv?
Oven, you said right now?
Yeah, the oven.
Alright.
Alrighty. Because I had called the head, right? And get the oven ready so that everything else won't take a long time, right? I should be looking in the lens, not the screen, Kevin. Come on, you've been doing this for too long to be doing it. Come on, man. Imagine, all I wanted to do was just come out here, buy the thing from the people and go shoot. But instead I spent more than that time. You know what? The positive from this is that I'm gonna make a vlog. Yeah, a vlog I gonna come out of this blood stain. Alright, so when you see the cooking and all, the schnookins, and now I had to look a shooting spot. I look a place there where we did go and I eat some food and it just did nice, and I say, oh, you know, so nice a good spot, this is where I'm gonna so again. So next time when you see me, it will be Kevin Charles for the first time. And not wasting another second, ladies and gentlemen. As me see the father there, I play with him son. Clicking on me. Oh, okay. I can't carry my daughter come around and someone now easy back one day. Actually open up on his son. No, I should get burnt to a crisp, but alright, sound like a tree the boy or something. Can't circle on them thing now. Now if you know some Mandeville, English side. Around the summer there, right now I drive through. And I realized there's some bloodstained house there in a Mandeville, yeah. And some money. But this is one meme one time. But this is a meme one time where person I say, oh, all of them time that when he like younger and we see money, I buy all of them sitting there with people in love. But in my case, I'm younger and I use all of my money, but I buy chewing gum, Princess Crunch, Red Tongue Sweetie. Cruff me that cruff it out. I should have saved my money, brother. So I can be able to come around and come afford. Like what them type of house, yeah. But then again, knowing me, I don't want no house with just the house itself. For me personally, when I think about it, like how a house, a big house, is not really it for me. What is it for me? Are the views. The views where you get. Because most of them houses, them live on like the hillside. So them are overlook. You see in a other vlog that I show you like from up in the hills there. And the views, the views are it for me. Not necessarily the size of the house, Bridget. For the most part, you gotta have a family. So one room now go cut it. So you want to say 3, maybe 4 room max. Just an extra room. A room for your children, you and your spouse. And an extra room in case you're not going to have guests and them want to spend a little time. That. But like a 10-bedroom house now, for why, brother? I mean, if you have the money and that's what you like, then by all means, do it. But as for me, it's a simple youth, man. Simple things I work with. At one point in my life, I not even want like a upstairs, But then I kind of graduate and say, say upstairs could have worked. Upstairs would have nice, Again, it's all about the views. Sitting, stop. Unfocus now. Hey, views, man. Views are it, man. I say, oh, some people just lucky in a life, dog. Imagine way back when time them buy them a house and they cost them like a little thing. And they make the investment and buy. And now to blood cleat, I want an area where everybody want to live in. Maybe back then I never really nothing. You see me? But like it gets some place like them with some nice views, man. That are goals and the dreams I use them. Hey, but we don't talk about that now. We work towards them type of thing. Go on through my G. I chat, that's why, Work towards them type of that girl that look like one girl who used to go to Chester with me. Go and work towards them thing there. So that you can afford them something in the future. Preach to the youths, them say assets, land and house. Anything we are gonna make your money and make money for your youth, them and them thing they feel looking into businesses and them something, you see it? But with that said, like any vlog, yes sir. I'm supposed to just get one vlog, I'm gonna fix up this and then I'm gonna have the Kevin tries for the first time. Two of them there. A food one and a drink one. Yeah, I work, man. I work. So most of them can do, or at least they can do, I just drop a like on the video them, you see me? So that them start get sent out into the algorithm. Because me already I do my part and I put it out frequent. So just make the algorithm say, yeah, I work. And I engage with the content and big up and bless up on yourself, man. I just I work, I work, man. And the reaction video them soon come. Them soon come. But for now, forget we're back in our groove and them thing there and get us going. Vlog them and go hot. Hot bed. Any type of content we feel for the now. But we're gonna put it out, man. We're not itch. Alright, a little bit here. Camera heavy for my hand.